Hello, my beloved friend. Today I would like to show you one of the most beautiful waterfall in my country. And this place is called Tatai Waterfall, and is a large rocky cascade located amidst a lush jungle setting in the Tatai River, Kohkong Province. Although the waterfall flow all year in the dry season, and it is possible to swim in a naturally formed pool at the bottom of the cascade, and due to the low flow of water, it is possible to walk across the ledge. In the wet season, the river flows in all its might, and the waterfall is more spectacular with the red white foam waters running over a fall 4 meters long. The water of the river is very clear, as the source originates in the Kohkong Mountain, where the human settlements are scarce. You can reach the waterfall by boat or by road. Although if you take the boat, the whole trip to the waterfall is very pleasant, and you will see amazing scenery along the way. The trip from the Tatai Bridge to the waterfall takes about an hour by slow boat. Thank you very much, my beloved friends, and thank you so much for following my video, and I hope you like it. But do not forget to give me a thumb up and like my video, and also subscribe to my channel as well. And please enjoy the beautiful view and the most spectacular nature of Tatai River. Thank you very much.